One of the products that we've standardized for all of our premium managed service clients is SonicWall. So we scale the SonicWall up and down depending on the size of your office. Obviously, if you have 5 people in your office, it's a substantially different size if you have 100 people or 200 people in your office. And it also depends on the speed of your internet. So we standardized on SonicWall because it allows us to train our team on one version of operating system, one firewall. And that allows us to much more quickly set up what you need. It allows us to protect you better because we know exactly what buttons to press, every time. And then beyond that, all of our premium managed service clients have a included SonicWall that is always kept up to date with security services. And the real benefit of that is being under contract. If it dies, we have a new one there tomorrow. If it has a problem, we have SonicWall support there to help us all the time. It is licensed for all of your different security definitions. It provides scanning at the edge. It provides that extra layer. Security is not just having antivirus. Security is having, email scanning, spam filtering, firewall. There's a long list of things that help you be more secure, along with having a good team of people managing that firewall. But that's one of the products that we've settled on as the eTop way. It's how we do things to make sure that you're taken care of most effectively.